Aleko's sliding gate opener, the AC2400 kit, will include one gate opening unit, one mounting base, two remotes, 20 feet of chain, installation hardware, and instructions. The AC2400 can operate gates weighing up to 2,400 pounds or 45 feet in length. The single-phase half-horsepower motor has an operating time of 44 seconds and includes an auto-close feature. The entire kit includes 20 feet of chain, two remotes with RF hopping code technology, all the hardware required for installation, and a mounting base. The AC2400 even includes a built-in manual key release in case of power loss.